Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to change message translation language. Now we know that there's a feature in Viber that allows you to translate messages. You can translate messages into other languages, you can see here, by just pressing down on them. Then you can see translate. Here, this one's already be translated, so let me show you what I mean. For example, hi. And then you press down on the message, you can see the option for translate. Now most times it translates using English. Now if you want to change the translation language, how do you do it? Tap on more and then you tap on settings and then you tap on calls and messages. You can see message translation, tap on it and you can choose the language you want it to translate into. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.